when we think about medtech in general, I think people thought about it something that is like less important, maybe in a sense, like it's more like governmental service. And now they see the importance of it to the world and how we live and to our daily life and the connection between the medical systems and to what we're doing right now, our daily life, which is so important.
100%. I mean, if we see healthcare as a whole, for countries' GDP spending, the largest bulk of that GDP spending is almost always on healthcare, because as we've got, increasingly aging populations, increased diagnostic, which means people are understanding that they've got more diseases, therefore they need more care. That GDP pie, more and more of it is being eaten by healthcare. And we sometimes think of this, in the back of our mind. We don't realize what a core element of our country's existence healthcare really is. But what's happened in healthcare is, at the initial stages of the medtech industry, it was very much improvement at any cost. As long as the medical device was improving upon the previous version of the medical device, money would flood in, government money would flood in as well, invest to just have the improvement. But now we're moving away from improvement to value. So the improvement has to be relative to the value it provides to saving money in the long term and to improving patient care, which again is to save money in the long term. So we've moved from improvement-based to really value-based, which just makes innovation, I would say, more challenging, but at the same time, it makes it more true and valuable, because you're really touching upon a pain point and not just a nice idea.
Yeah, I think it's connected to a move that you have in general, like in innovation, that in the past it was very related to the technology itself. So what the technology is doing. And now we're more talking about value proposition. What is the impact of what you're doing? What is the value in the market? Who will pay for it or use it, or how important it is? And when we're thinking about healthcare in general, it's not only to do a specific thing better. Maybe we can prevent some of the things that get to the usage of these medical devices or pharmaceuticals, so forth. So it really makes sense to see the impact of what you're saying. And I think it's connected to us seeing more the people and not the technology, and not what